Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
How to make zip files in iPhone. You can easily compress files into a zip on your iPhone using its built-in features. So here is how you can do it. First of all, simply open the File app on your iPhone, and once inside the File app, simply navigate to the file you want to compress. Make sure that you have saved the file to the files. And once done so, all you have to do is long press on the photo or file you want to compress. Simply, so I am turning the first photo text to the zip file. So long press on it. There you can see compress option available. Simply tap on it and a zip file will be created in the same folder. Now you can simply tap on the zip file and download the another copy of it as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.